I am so excited and actually very nervous about this. All right, so I guess I'm ready to turn my bottle upside down. I'm kind of nervous that I don't want Emiliano to get hurt because I don't know what to expect from this reaction. All right, should we count down? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch this video again and tell me what you saw. What happened? What happened when I turned the bottle upside down and the baking soda mixed with the vinegar? What happened inside the bottle? And how did that make that reaction make the bottle, the rocket, shoot up? Make one of these at home on your patio, at the park. Try it and tell me what happens. Show me. I'm sorry I missed you all today. If the scheduling is a problem, let's talk about it and work it out. Love you guys. Have fun with this. Kit Kat, thank you so much for the idea of talking about